Hello friends, welcome to Pendulum Video. Today we will be discussing daily current affairs of 17 June 2020. So let's start the session. First news is Employees Provident Fund Organization launched a multiple location claim settlement facility. And this facility has been introduced by EPFO with the objective of allowing online claim settlement from any of its regional offices across the country. All types of online claims including Provident Fund, pension, partial withdrawal and transfer claims will be settled under this initiative. This step will equally distribute the workload related to nationwide claim settlement, thereby reducing the delay in the process settlement. This initiative enables EPFO for fast-tracking settlement process through proper mobilization of workforce. Talking about EPFO, Employee Provident Fund Organization, it is a statutory body constituted by the Employees Provident Fund and Miscellaneous Rules Act of 1952. Its headquarters are located in New Delhi and it was founded in 1952. And any body is called statutory when it is formed by an act of parliament. Moving to the question part, the Employees Provident Fund Organization is a dash body: constitutional, statutory, semi-judicial and non-constitutional. So the correct answer is option B, that is it is a statutory body. Next news is ICMR recommended the use of rapid antigen test kits in combination with RT-PCR testing for the diagnosis of COVID-19. ICMR has stated that even if a person is negative by the COVID-19 rapid antigen test, their RT-PCR test will be performed again to control the infection, while a positive test should be considered a true positive and reaffirmed is not needed. Rapid antigen test kit ensures rapid diagnosis without laboratory testing. The rapid antigen test kit is a rapid chromatographic immune assay for qualitative detection of specific antigens of coronavirus. This was developed by South Korea based company. Talking about Indian Council of Medical Research, it is the apex body in India for the creation, coordination and promotion of biomedical research. It is one of the oldest and largest medical research bodies in the world. Its headquarters is located in New Delhi. It was founded in 1911 and the Director General of the institution is Dr. Balram Bhargava. Moving to the question part, recently Indian Council of Medical Research has recommended the use of rapid antigen test kit in combination with RT-PCR test for diagnosis of COVID-19. This kit is manufactured by which of the following country? USA, China, Japan and South Korea. So the correct answer for this is option D, that is South Korea. Moving to the next news, scheme to provide oximeters at the mohalla and colony level in Madhya Pradesh. Recently, the state government in Madhya Pradesh is planning to provide oximeters at the mohalla and colony levels. The decision has been taken keeping in mind the growing cases of coronavirus in the states. Oximeters will not only help control corona infection but will also make the survey works easier. Oximeter or pulse oximeters are small light devices that are used to monitor the amount of oxygen in the body. Talking about Madhya Pradesh, it is the second only to Rajasthan in terms of area in the country, and Bhopal is the capital of the state. The Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh is Shivraj Singh Chauhan and Governor is Lalji Tandon. The state animal is Barasingha. The state bird of Madhya Pradesh is the Asian Paradise flycatcher, that is Dudhraj. Moving to the question, recently which state government has planned to provide oximeters at the mohalla and colony level? Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat and Bihar. So the correct answer is option B, that is Madhya Pradesh. Moving to the next news, Union Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas launched Indian Gas Exchange. It is the first nationwide online delivery based gas trading platform. The trading platform will enable market participants to trade in standardized gas contracts. IGX is fully automated with a web-based interface and will provide a seamless business experience to the customers. This will help the country to move towards free market pricing of natural gas. IGX is incorporated as a wholly owned subsidiary of IEX, that is Indian Energy Exchange. Indian Energy Exchange, IEX, is India's energy market platform. Now the question part, recently Union Petroleum and Natural Gas Minister Dharmendra Pradhan has launched which exchange? Indian Gas Exchange, Indian Petroleum Exchange, Indian Oil Exchange and Indian Steel Exchange. So the correct answer is option A, that is Indian Gas Exchange. Moving to the next news, a new species of fish has been discovered in Arunachal Pradesh and it has been discovered by Dr. Keshav Kumar Jha, Associate Professor and Head of Department of Zoology, Jawaharlal Nehru College, Pasighat. This new species of fish is named Schizothorax sicuciromensis. The species of this fish is named after the rivers where it was found. Now the question, what is the recently discovered Schizothorax sicuciromensis? A fish, new planet, new ISRO mission or science laboratory? So the correct answer is option A, that is, it is a new species of fish found in Arunachal Pradesh. Moving to the next news, Malabar gliding frog spotted in Pullad, Kerala. This amphibian is endemic to rainforest of the Western Ghats. The frog has a body length of 10 cm and it is one of the largest frogs. The fingers and toes are like sticks to attach to tree branches and walk. Males are smaller than females. Malabar gliding frog populations are declining due to deforestation, climate change, developmental activities and toxic chemicals. And its IUCN status is least concern. Now the question part. What is correct regarding the gliding frog? Recently it has been seen in Pullad, Kerala. It is one of the largest frogs. First statement is also true. Second statement is also true. Their IUCN status is least concern. This is also true. Therefore, all of the above is correct. So, answer is option D. Now, next news. Britain announces Jet Zero plan. So, this plan aims to reduce aviation emissions. The UK aims to reduce greenhouse gas emissions from aviation within a generation to create carbon-free transatlantic flights. For this, there has been talk of forming a Jet Zero Council. Aviation emissions currently account for more than 2% of the global greenhouse gases and have risen to 70% since 2005. United Kingdom, Britain or UK is an island nation in northwestern Europe. It is made up of England, Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland. Its capital is London and the currency is pound sterling. Now the question part. Recently, which country has launched Z0 scheme to reduce aviation emissions? India, UK, France and Italy. So the correct answer is option B, that is UK. Moving to the next news, Government of Karnataka is planning to set up a monkey park, and this monkey park will be set up on an inhabited island in the Sharavati backwater area. This decision has been taken due to several protests by troubled farmers recent days due to the attack of monkeys on agriculture and plantation crops in the Malnad region. Therefore, the government of Karnataka has decided to establish a park to solve the problem. However, the state government's plan has been opposed by environmentalists as the Sharavati backwater areas are rich in biodiversity and there may be ecological imbalance due to the translocation of monkeys. For this, an allocation of rupees 6.25 crore has been made in the budget of 2020-21. It is known that in Himachal Pradesh there are state-of-the-art monkey sterilization and rehab centers for monkeys. Now the question part, which state government is planning to set up a monkey park? Kerala, West Bengal, Karnataka and Himachal Pradesh. So the correct answer is option C, that is Karnataka. Next news is trial of new coronavirus vaccine has been started in humans in the UK. This vaccine has been made by scientists at Imperial College London. Scientists at Imperial College London have vaccinated 300 healthy people in the UK with 2 doses of their experimental coronavirus vaccine. So far, this vaccine has been tested only in animals and in the laboratory where it will be seen to have produced higher levels of antibodies than the infected ones. This vaccine is designed using the basis of a synthetic strand of the genetic code of the virus. About a dozen vaccines are currently in the initial stages of testing. The next news is China halts the last satellite of BeiDou navigation network, and this launch has been prevented due to technical problems in the rocket. It was the 35th and the last satellite of the Chinese navigation system. This project meant to be Beijing's answer to the US-owned global positioning system. After its completion, China's military communication system would have become secure and weapons targeting would also improve, particularly in the Asia-Pacific region. Now the question, BeiDou navigation network is related to which country? USA, China, Germany and Canada. So the correct answer for this is option B, that is China. Next news. Recently, the Oscar Awards 2020 have been postponed for 2 months due to COVID-19, and the Oscar Awards to be held in February every year, but in 2021 they will be held on 25 April or 25th April. The eligibility period for these has also been extended by 2 months. And talking about Oscar Awards, these are Academy Awards which are popularly known as Oscars. It is an award for artistic and technical merit in the film industry. It is organized in the United States. This honor was conferred for the first time on 16 May 1929. Now the question, in which year the Oscar Awards were presented for the first time? 1945, 1929, 1956 and 1937. So the correct answer is option B, that is 1929. So friends, here we have comprehensively covered daily current affairs of 17 June and related questions. I hope you are daily following this series and gaining a lot. Keep following it. Like this video, share it as much as you can. If you have any doubt, you can mention that in comment box. Also, you can go through our website pendulumedu.com and also read these current affairs in detail. Also, you can download PDF, attempt quizzes and many more. Many more is there for as a study material for your preparation. You can also join us on our Telegram channel. Keep preparing with us. All the best. Thank you so much.